Welcome, everyone is a SONY Xperia L4, and today I'll show you a couple tweaks and tricks that you can do on this device. So we're going to begin with the sidebar that you have on the phone. As you can see, it's right here, this thing on the display, and you want to tap on it twice. Now it's barely visible. Oh, now it's visible on the camera. So when you tap on it twice, it gives you several apps that you can launch right here quickly, a couple toggles, and also some other functions. Now you can edit those if you want to. As you can see, there is an entire menu dedicated just for that, so you can customize it a little bit further off in terms of what is visible in here. Okay, so moving on, another thing that I'm going to show is just a quick way that they implement it into launching a split screen. So you have this app right here, and we'll open up also the panel, and it will allow you to, for instance, drag up or just tap on it, and where is it? There we go. It opened it up in split screen, although it's in the background. And you can have also presets, as you can see right here. There are several ones that are visible. So when you tap on it, it opens up Chrome and YouTube automatically, which is a fairly good mixture of the apps, because you can listen to music on the YouTube without paying for their crap premium service. And then you can browse on your website, right, or some webs and whatever. So personally, that's kind of how I like to use this. And when you close it, you can see that it closes the bottom up but keeps the top open. So if YouTube is at the top, it will continue to play whatever it's doing. So just a nice way of getting it. Now, one thing to keep in mind, not every app is supported. So if you open up something like a camera, so let me just find this camera, it will quit the split screen. So apps that are unsupported will just close the split screen functionality. Then moving on, we're going to go into the device theme, which will allow you to set a theme based on your preference or just the wallpaper. So let's get to the settings, and then under display, tap on advanced, and we should have somewhere device theme right at the bottom. So right now it's set to be automatic based on wallpaper. So if your wallpaper is light based, then it will keep everything in light. If your wallpaper is a little bit darker, it will go into dark one. As you can see, if you change it, you can change it from automatic to manual and choose either light or dark if you want. And once you do, it will make the adjustment to be kind of darkish. Now it doesn't include apps and stuff like that. They will still be in light mode. It just has a little bit more dark tones in certain places, and just not everywhere, as we're used to in having a default dark mode on Android 10. Then we're going to go into the animation speed, which just simply allows you to increase the animation speed of how apps are opening, closing, and yeah. So to get that sorted, let's go into the settings, all the way down to system, tap on advanced, and you should have developer options here. Now if you do not see your developer options here, just go into about phone and tap on build number 7 times. As you can see, for me, no need, you're already a developer. So once you tap on it 7 times, it will enable it, and then you can go back to system, where you will find the options right here. And now you want to scroll down a little bit past halfway, and you should see the animation speed. So you have window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animation duration scale. Now I'm not sure if I changed anything. I would expect it to be by default set to 1, everything. And from there you can just set everything to either half speed, which will increase the animation speed, decrease it by half, and also, well, then everything will be quicker, but still have animations. And also you can change it to be basically off, and when it's off, well, then you just don't have any kind of animation. So closing is instant, opening apps is instant, closing them, as you can see, switching between them removes the animation of them, just kind of like zooming in or out. They're just popping in and out instantly. And the last thing I wanted to show is just a simple icon shape. So as you can see, by default it's set to circle, but on here you actually get the option to change it to different shapes. So let's go into the home screen. So hold your finger on the home screen, go into home screen settings, and from here we should find, where is it, change icon shape right here, and you have I use system default square, circle, teardrop, and see. Oh, so these ones. So you can tap on whichever one you want, see which one suits you, and just change it. And this would conclude all this week's and tricks that I wanted to share. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.